Here we are leaving Blunsdon station here. Lovely midsummer's day here. This is the Swindon and Cricklade Railway. There's an old water pump there as well. Let's go to use water on these steam rails. This is actually a diesel service. They're running diesel and steam trains here today. There we are, period second on box there. These were used until a few years ago when it all became quite computerised and electronic, probably. Heavy old levers there. A few more track testing wagons here and other carriages to be restored. This is the diesel service, the D3668 diesel service. Lovely painted carriages there. Looks like a bit of interior work needed, but coming on very nicely. Unfortunately, there's a bad fire here caused by arsonists about 3 years ago, where a number of the carriages and rolling stock were destroyed. Very sadly, total thuggery. Not helping anybody, it's all charity run as well, volunteers, which makes it even worse. A few more carriages here. Interesting old engine there. These are probably used for a bit of storage as well. Looks like Network Southeast livery and carriage there. On the approach now to the next station, the last station on the route at the moment, although they're hoping to extend it. Finances permitting and donations and volunteers and everything else permitting. Lovely day here in Wiltshire. This is the diesel service as opposed to the steam service. These are first class. There we are, the compartments here, as opposed to the open carriages. Deacon's Point. Nice coachworks here as well. Right, doing a bit of groundworks. Coming on nicely. Here we are, coming in to Hayes Knoll here. The last station on the line, Hayes Knoll, on the diesel.
Enjoyed it though.
Here's where the restoration yard and repair works is in there, the shed down there. You can see some of the works in progress.